How to cancel Globe Life Insurance. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to cancel Globe Life Insurance. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. In order to cancel your Globe Life Insurance, you can speak with your life insurance agent and a professional financial planner first to work out any implications of canceling your policy, as well as possible options that might allow you to keep it. Different types of life insurance are affected by cancellation in different ways. For term life insurance, you may be able to simply cancel the insurance by refusing to continue paying premiums, but in general, term life insurance does not offer a way to recoup them. The one exception is called return of premium. Term life insurance. Please note that return of premium does not always cover cancellation. Instead, it means that paying slightly more than you would for normal term life insurance. You are paid out when the term expires. Also, whole life insurance builds up what's called a cash value, where by paying a higher premium each month, the policy builds value which you can borrow or withdraw funds from. As you would expect, withdrawing money from your whole life insurance policy reduces the death benefit. Borrowing against it instead will allow you to pay back the money borrowed, restoring the death benefit. Any outstanding loan amount at the end of your life will count against said benefit, reducing the payout to your beneficiary. So, this is how you can cancel Globe Life Insurance. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.